We started using the Grove app a few weeks ago, probably coming up to a month now. I find it very useful to order products that we don't always order. And then I find it very useful at night before I go home. I like to go on the app, put my order in, because working in a busy environment the next morning it's very easy to come into work, completely forget to make the order, then you end up running out of stock. So I find it very useful for the evenings, especially to make our order ready for the next day, so it doesn't stop my production the next day. I can just go in and crack straight on. So my favourite features on the app are definitely the barcode scanner. I find it very useful. Well, it will scan pretty much anything and it will pick it up, put it on the app for you, and it makes it very straightforward to order that specific product. Brilliant. Yeah, I would recommend it to other body shops, mainly because it's so convenient. You do it in your own time. Working in a busy environment, it can be very easy to run off with getting involved with a job or whatever else. So I find it very convenient just to be able to sit down, use it when you want it, when you've got time to use it, when you've got a minute just to put your order through. Definitely give the app a go. I think everyone will find it convenient. It's very convenient. It saves me time.